Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I managed to put perm rods in my hair, so that is what our video is going to be about. It's going to be my very first perm rod set since having short hair. So keep watching. So basically you can see I did majority of my hair already. I really just don't like long videos, so I left a little tiny patch, which you'll see in a second, of the products I used and the different steps that I used to apply my perm rods. This took me probably close to 2 hours, only because I wanted to take my time, and plus I did it in sections. Starting with the back, I did all of the back first, and you can see here I have mostly yellow perm rods. That's because, of course, these yellow perm rods are the smaller ones. Well, they're not the tiniest, because I think the red ones are the tiniest. These are the smallest ones that I have. So I did all of the back, using yellow perm rods, and that honestly was the hardest part because it's so small in the back. So, and then plus I have long nails, so I'm trying to grasp it. So that's for the back, all yellow. Then for kind of like the middle part, I did a mixture of blue, gray, and pink, and they're in different barrels. So as far as the blue, let me see if I can grab one to show you. For the blue barrel, I used a combination of the long ones. Okay, so these ones are the 1/4 ones. So these are the short ones that I use for blue, but then this is the long one that I also had. I can't remember what the actual number of it is, but basically they only come in short and long, so you'll be able to see that. But I used a few long pieces, and then the rest of the blues, the majority of the short ones. Then I had used gray, so this is the gray one. These ones are the short ones, and then I use pink, as you can see, and that's also a combination of long and short. So I don't really have a specific number count of how many perm rods I use, but as you can tell, I did use quite a few perm rods in total. As far as the products I used, I did use 3 products. So the first being Tropic Living's Coconut Jamaican Black Castor Oil. The second one is my Lottabody Moisture Me Curl and Style Milk. And then lastly, to go along with it, is my Lottabody Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. Alright guys, so like I said, I finished that little patch that I left out for you guys to see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretty much sit under a dryer and let this dry. I'm not anticipating a long dry time, but you never know. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so I have finished drying my hair, and as you can see, I beat my face. So you guys can check out that video for this entire look. I am now going to take down my perm rods, so hopefully they're fully dry, but let's just see. Alrighty guys, so we got to the end of the video, and basically this style was an epic fail. I mean, I tried to fix it, but this just means I am not yet ready to do perm rod styles. So we will stick with our wash and goes, and I'll be a little bit more patient. So in situations like this, when I have an epic fail, I always resort to two things, especially right now that my hair is short. The first being grabbing one of my headbands, and I actually got this headband from CVS. It came in like a pack of, I want to say 4 or 5 with different colors. So I'm going to rock my pink headband, and then also I am going to grab one of my head wraps. Now this head wrap is from, this is what it looks like. This is from Tropic Isles Living, and they actually just started out doing their head wrap in pocket square lines. So definitely look out for it, and I'll put all the details in the description area. But those are going to be our two epic fail saviors right now.